Lesson 3.1 is on inequalities, and I'm going to do number 8 for you. So it says that 8 is greater than or equal to n minus 6. And we have two things that we need to do. We need to solve, and we need to graph its solution on a number line. Okay? So when I look at this, here is my n term, and I need to get it alone. Well, I am taking away 6 from n minus 6. Well, to get n alone, I need to add 6 to both sides. Okay, I put 8 and 6 on the left side in a row, like in a vertical row here, because they're like terms. I can do 8 plus 6. They're like terms, and I can say that it is 14. And then my inequality sign does not change because I didn't do our special rule where we add or multiply or divide by a negative number on both sides to flip it. Here I was just adding, so I'm good there. Additive inverses on the right, the 6's go away, and I get n over here. So 14 is greater than or equal to n. So on a number line, and on the one that you have on your paper, 14 is somewhere like up here. Okay? And I'm going to draw a circle. The question is, what kind of circle? Well, it says that n could equal 14. So I'm going to fill that circle in. Okay? And then the relationship, it says that n is bigger, or I'm sorry, 14 is bigger than n. So n has to be smaller than 14. These are the numbers that are smaller than 14. Don't be confused by the fact that the n is on the other side. If I wanted to rewrite this inequality expression, I could flip the n and the 14. But if the alligator's mouth, I don't know, that's a funny looking alligator right there, if it's eating the 14, when I flip the sides that the n and 14 are on, I have to flip the inequality sign. So this guy over here said that n was less than 14. Okay, 14 was bigger than n, and so does this guy over here when I flip them. Okay, so make sure that if you rewrite them that you don't change the meaning of it. And sure enough, n has to be less than 14. So a nice easy number to maybe plug in would just be 0. So I'm going to check 0. And if it says 8 is greater than or equal to 0 minus 6, is 8 bigger than or equal to negative 6? And yes, it is bigger. Okay, so our answer is in the red boxes, and then you graph it on the number line with a closed circle and an arrow going to the left.